If you're looking for a new way to prepare salmon, caterer and personal chef Gerard Wilcher has a tasty idea for you. We're making Cajun herb salmon with seafood topping. Oh, that looks good. Go ahead and get it started. And you started this with seasoning your meat with what?
Yes, sir. I have right here some blackening seasoning, right? I took my salmon and I put Cajun seasoning on both sides. You can get Cajun seasoning at any local supermarket.
Okay.
All right. Now, I have some fresh herbs, Leland. So, whatever herbs you like, parsley, thyme, oregano, basil, you just take those fresh herbs, whichever herbs you like, you chop them up really fine, and then you add it to the salmon. But there's a trick to it. Something has to adhere for the salmon to stick to the herbs.
Yeah.
So I have some spicy brown mustard. I like to do this thing called building flavors. So there's layers of flavors on every level of what you make. So the first layer is the blackening seasoning. The second layer is this mustard right here.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna put a little bit of mustard on here and spread it over the salmon so the herbs can actually adhere to the salmon, but it also adds flavor to it.
Okay.
So then I take my herbs that we chopped up and I sprinkle the herbs evenly over the salmon just like this. I sear it on both sides for 30 seconds and throw it in the oven. 350 degrees for about 6 minutes.
Okay.
I promise you, you pull it out of the oven, it's easy, it is delicious. It's good just like that.
All right, fantastic. So we've got the salmon ready.
Yes, sir.
Talk about the other seafood toppings.
All right, so now we're gonna take this to a whole nother level, right? We're gonna add some more seafood to it because I like seafood. And I do a lot of personal chef and a lot of private catering, and this is by far one of my most popular dishes that my guests like. So what I have here is some scallops, shrimp, and jumbo lump crab meat. We're gonna put all that on top of the salmon. All right, so I'm gonna take some olive oil, put it in the pan, and then I'm gonna sear off my scallops.
Yeah.
And then I'm also gonna add my shrimp to here and sear that off. And while that's cooking, there's this lemon herb cream sauce that you're gonna help me make.
Okay, alrighty. All right, so go ahead and get me started on that.
All right, so what you do is just add heavy cream, about a cup of heavy cream to a pan. And then you take a little, that's good, you take a little bit of the lemon pepper seasoning, about a teaspoon of it. You put it in there. And then later we take a little bit of these fresh herbs. And then we just stir.
All right.
And we stir it until it gets thick. We cook this right here until it gets nice.
Until it's thick, and
yes,
then
sir.
everything is done over here, and you've got it sitting on a nice little thing of mashed potatoes there.
Yes, sir. Those are some garlic herb mashed potatoes. We take that lemon herb cream sauce. We lay it over the salmon, and then we put that seafood on there.
And we are good to go.
Yes, sir.
All right, Chef Gerard, thank you so much. If you'd like to try this recipe, it's on our website. You can also try the chef's YouTube channel where you'll find more of his fantastic recipe ideas.
Yes.
Thanks so much, sir.
Thanks for having me, Leland.
Up next, creams and